I think if there was just one part of Sissinghurst that I would take away with me, it's the orchard. I'm Troy Scott-Smith, I'm the head gardener here at Sissinghurst. I'm delighted to be delivering this course. What I'd like to do is show you some of the techniques that we employ here, the practical gardening, but also I'd like to share with you the glory of the garden over the course of the whole year. So welcome to a slightly frosty November morning at Sissinghurst. Here we are in the White Garden in early March. It's mid-April and this is a moment when really the garden wakes up. Mid-June in the Rose Garden, and all that hard work is now paying rewards. There's so much I can share with you from Sissinghurst. We start off with the orchard, a way of gardening that feels a bit softer, more natural, with bulbs and then lovely summer meadows. We'll be looking at roses in a lot of detail. We'll start off with rose selection and how to plant them, going through to looking after old roses. We'll delve really deeply into beds and borders, how to create this beauty through plants, how we stake and pinch and Chelsea chop, all of these kind of techniques. So we'll also look at planting fruit trees, be it apple, pear, plum, and just getting that tree happy and set up for life. And really importantly, we'll also look at designing. Gardening is such a practical, physical activity, but there's also this great creativity that I can be painting with these flowers. So you can see why I might have removed that one. There's a little bit of dye back here and these very unproductive shoots. So I'm just going to push these in around this peony. In essence, just making a cage. I'm just going to go in and cut everything just right down to ground level. Gardening's given me so much joy over the years, and I'd love to share some of that joy with you and give you the confidence to also give gardening a go. Explore the craft of gardening at Sissinghurst with me, Troy Scott-Smith.